Unveiling the process. How to renew your license. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very important topic: renewing your license. Whether it's for driving, practicing a profession, or any other purpose, understanding how to renew your license is crucial. Let's simplify this process together and ensure you're well prepared to keep your credentials up to date. First, let's clarify what we mean by renew the license. Renewing a license means updating your existing license before it expires. This ensures you continue to have the legal permission to do activities like driving a car, practicing medicine, or even operating a business. It's like refreshing your permission to keep doing what you're already doing. Renewing your license is essential because it keeps you in compliance with the law. An expired license can lead to fines, restrictions, or even legal consequences. It's not just about following rules, it's about ensuring your safety and the safety of others around you. The process of renewing your license can vary depending on the type of license and the country or state you're in. However, it generally involves the following steps. 1. Check the expiration date. Know when your license is due for renewal. 2. Understand the requirements. Gather the necessary documents and understand if you need to take any tests or training. 3. Submit an application. This can often be done online, by mail, or in person. 4. Pay the renewal fee. Be prepared to pay a fee for renewing your license. 5. Receive your new license. After your application is processed, you'll receive a new license with a new expiration date. To ensure a hassle-free renewal process, consider these tips. Mark your calendar. Keep track of your expiration date and start the renewal process early. Read instructions carefully. Every license has different requirements. Make sure you understand what's needed for yours. Keep records. Maintain copies of your application, receipts, and any correspondence. We hope this video has shed light on the process of renewing your license and why it's so important. Remember, staying on top of your license renewal is not just about staying legal. It's about ensuring continuous freedom and safety in your activities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay safe and well prepared.